Here's a small myringotomy blade that's used to create an incision within the tympanic membrane in a radial fashion. The middle ear contents are then suction free, and any fluid that's present may be evacuated at that time. A hollow tympanostomy tube is then placed within the incision with one flange medial to the tympanic membrane and another flange lateral to the tympanic membrane. You can see that the tube is improperly positioned, so that way we confirm that its lumen is patent. Here's an otoscopic photograph of a tympanic membrane immediately after tympanostomy tube placement. Short-term tympanostomy tubes typically last 12 to 18 months before falling out on their own, while longer-term tubes may last up to several years. The tympanic membrane typically closes on its own after tube extrusion. While the tube is in place and open, it prevents fluid reaccumulation. When explaining this concept to patients' families, I often use the analogy that placing a tympanostomy tube is like putting a hole in at the bottom of your bucket, which prevents the bucket from then filling up with water.